mission of Kidstown is to come alongside Christian orphanages and to help provide practical aid to the children, as well as prayer support and friendships, in order to alleviate the suffering of the children, to give them hope, to give them a chance for their futures. We have frontline people here in Romania and in India who are doing the hard work of caring for the children, day in and day out. These orphanage leaders, they can't do this alone. They need help.
I have to say that is a blessing on all children home, the aid work of Kidstown organization. It means assurance for the future of each children home.
When I visit these children, they know the word sponsor. They know it very well, and they say it to me. Are you my sponsor?
Behind those money or help, the kids knows that it's someone somewhere is thinking to him.
Le mulțumesc că mă sprijină în fiecare lună. Dacă n-ar fi fost ei, poate nimeni nu m-ar fi luat.
Thank you for sponsoring me. I like you very much, and thanks.
The most important what we want for our kids, that they want to accept Jesus in their lives. These are our daily prayers for them.
Some of these areas are very difficult to get into with the gospel. These children who are coming into the orphanages, they are part of those tribes. They are part of these cultures. They may be the only ones to take the gospel to some of these places.
Speranțe și avem toate motivele să sperăm în viitorul acestor copii. În primul rând pentru că noi l-am chemat pe Dumnezeu în ajutor în creșterea lor, chemăm pe Dumnezeu în a ajuta